Hi guys, welcome back. I am doing a opening box of this 9-quart Tri-Zone air fryer by Bella. This was purchased from Best Buy for $89.99, and we're going to do a review on this wonderful product. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you the specs. These are some of the pictures that's on the box. We have some information down at the bottom. We have the air fryer roast and the broil and bake. All of the specs, the dehydrate as well. More information on the side. We do have some more specs on the side of the box. Go ahead and read them. More information as well. More specs on the side. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. Look at the actual product on hand, and this is what it looks like out of the box. Of course, this was just purchased yesterday, so this is what it looked like. We purchased this on Black Friday, and it was on sale. Best Buy in store, but you can go on bestbuy.com. This is what the inside looked like. All you have to do is open the tray, and it was very easy to do. Stainless steel. This is the inside of the tray. This is the side view of the tray. Don't forget, when you purchase this, don't forget to wash and sanitize it. So also, I went ahead and pulled out the tray. You have to open it up and pull it out. If you don't, you're gonna miss that cardboard. So make sure before you clean it out, pull that tray completely out so you can remove the cardboard. So this is very nice. So you can go ahead and pull that bottom part up so it'll be easier for you to clean. So I'm going to go ahead and clean and sanitize that one side. I'm going to do the same for the other. And we're going to go ahead and pull the other side up. Nice and easy. Very nice. So we went on ahead and bought some sweet potatoes from Publix. So we're going to go ahead and try this out. The brand is Alexia Sweet Potato Waffles. If you want, you can use Pam, but I didn't use Pam. I was just making sure that you guys know to have it on deck if you want to use it. Let's go ahead and put the fries inside of the air fryer. So we're going to use both sides. We're going to go ahead and turn it on by pressing that on button to the right. We're going to go ahead and set it with the air fryer. Once you press air fryer, then it will give you the temperature. On the left, you can change the settings as far as the heat. And then on the right side, you can change the minutes. So this is what it looks like as far as being in the air fryer for at least 5 minutes. And then I'm going to go ahead and completely cook it for 8 minutes total. So yes, 8 minutes. You can set it for 390, the temperature, but you can also set it the minutes for at least 10 minutes. So 390 at 10 minutes. You can do 390 at 15 minutes, but be careful. Just make sure you play around with the settings. But whatever you do, once you set this air fryer, do not leave your kitchen. Make sure you're standing in front of the air fryer and you watching it. You can also press pause if you want to open the air fryer up just to make sure that you're not overcooking or burning your food. So you can also press that pause button, pause it, and open it up just to check it. So this one looks like it's done. It is on 6 minutes, 30 seconds. I think I cooked it a little bit longer. I just want it to be crispy but not burnt. Don't forget your prongs, guys. and we're going to test it out. So let's go ahead. I already said my prayers. All right, so let's test it out up close. I'm going to dip it. It's delicious. With this Chick-fil-A sauce, baby! My face dry. A 5-star all day. 100%. Let me show you my sweatshirt. It says daughter of a king. Daughter of a king. Corinthians 6:18. If you want to buy this sweatshirt, it's at crownedkingsdaughter.com. They also have the sweatpants too, by the way. crownedkingsdaughter.com.